Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is Karuden. Today I will present to you about how to create an email using Gmail, and also I will demonstrate the use of Google Meet and the importance of digital ethics when using this platform. First, I log in my Gmail account using my personal account. Don't use other people account without permission. Okay? Next, if you want to send an email to your friends, you just need to click here, compose. The function is to start writing an email. We should avoid spamming or sending unnecessary email. And then I enter the recipient email address. Okay, that's it. This is my friend. This step is very important because you cannot send an email to the person that you don't know. Make sure if you want to send an email to your friend, you must write the subject. The subject is the conclusion of your email. We should write clear and appropriate subjects. So this is my example to write an appropriate email. We must use polite words to our friends. And then what you need to do is you just need to send this email. If you want to send your email to your friends, you just need to click this button, send. Okay, that's it. Okay, now I will demonstrate how to use your Google Meet. So, we must sign in with our account. Next, we need to click new meeting so that we can have a meeting with our friends and we can communicate online. Click start an instant meeting and tada, you already create the Google meeting. So this is the link. What you need to do is just copy this link and then send it to your friends so that this will allow your friends to enter the Google Meet meeting. And it is very important to be punctual as part of digital ethic. So when you want to open your camera, this is the button. You can click here to open your camera. And also, if you want to speak to your friends, you can turn on your microphone. Other than that, Google Meet provides chat and screen sharing features so that you can communicate easily and improve your communication. If you want to end this meeting, you just need to say goodbye everyone, thank you, and then you can leave the meeting. You can click here, leave call, and then just leave the call. In conclusion, Gmail and Google Meet are important tools for digital communication. By using them properly and following digital ethics, we can communicate effectively. Thank you. That's all from me.